Hi, I'm Brian Murray, and I work for Canonical as Ubuntu's bug master. I'm primarily responsible for the bug reports in Launchpad regarding Ubuntu.
Okay, excellent. So you're the person, you're like the first line of defense when it comes to reporting bugs?
That's correct. I work with the community to develop triaging best practices and work on gathering debugging documentation about specific packages.
Okay, so let's say I'm running some software that's shipped in Ubuntu and I run into a bug, it messes up and stuff. What do I need to do next?
We use Launchpad for our bug tracking system. So it's possible to go to launchpad.net and go ahead and report a bug about Ubuntu using the web interface. However, when you do that, it's best to provide a lot of information about the bug report. And this information can be gathered automatically by quite a few applications if you go to the Help menu and choose Report a Problem. This will launch a bug reporting wizard, which will gather information about your system and automatically add that to the bug report.
Okay, so as users start to file bugs, they get in a big pile, basically. What happens? What steps do you guys take after that? How do you guys manage that big pile?
Initially, when a bug report comes in, it's in the new state. And depending on the amount of information in the bug report, it's possible for that bug to become confirmed, which is when someone has recreated the problem or enough debugging information has been provided for a developer to look at it. Otherwise, if there isn't enough information, then the bug report becomes a conversation where a bug triager will ask for more detailed information and set the bug report to incomplete, and then the reporter provides that information, and then the bug report can move into the confirmed state.
So this step of triaging where you move things from different states to another, can you kind of explain how that works, like the life cycle?
So as I mentioned earlier, a bug report initially is reported as new, and then it becomes a conversation. So when you report a bug, it's important that you be willing to provide additional information and flesh out your bug report. And then from the new and incomplete state, they can move into confirmed and triaged. And then a developer will look at the bug report, and the bug report can become in progress when somebody is actively working on a fix. And then when a fix is available, the bug report will be fix committed, meaning it's testable, and then fix released when it's available in an update or in a new version of the package.
Okay, and your team, can you talk a little bit about your team and what a hug day is and how people can get involved?
So the initial bug triaging group is called the Ubuntu Bug Squad, and that's an open team on Launchpad that anybody can join. And we also have a mailing list, Ubuntu Bug Squad, and on that mailing list we talk about bug reports and bug workflows and best practices for working with bug reports. And one of the great features of Launchpad is that anybody can confirm a bug report. So let's say you as a user find this bug report and it looks like a bug that you have experienced. You can go ahead and follow the steps to recreate the bug report, confirm that it does in fact exist, and then change the status of the bug report to confirmed. And confirmed bug reports are further along in the life cycle, so it's important to have those confirmed.
Are there any other things that you want to talk about considering the bug lifecycle or workflow, or tips that you yourself use for triaging bugs?
Earlier you asked about hug days, and what hug days are is they're an activity where a group of people get together, members of the bug squad, and what we'll do is we'll focus on a specific group of bug reports. For example, consider Update Manager, which is an application that a lot of people use. We get lots of new bug reports about that application. So then we'll take a list of Update Manager bugs and we'll build a knowledge base about how to triage Update Manager and look at the new bug reports and work on moving them further along in the bug triaging process, and also assigning a priority to those bug reports so that we can ensure that the developers look at the most important ones.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about 5-A-Day?
5-A-Day is a program where we're asking people to work with 5 bugs a day. It can be at any level. So it can be as simple as confirming a bug report and recreating it, cleaning up a bug report. Sometimes bug reports come with titles or summaries that aren't particularly useful, such as an application is broken or sound not working. And so that bug report can be improved just by modifying the title of the bug report. Also, itemizing steps to recreate a bug report is an incredibly useful thing. So putting those in the bug's description, and all of these are things that count for 5-a-day. And in the 5-a-day program, we just ask that people look at and work on 5 bugs. And we have an application where you can submit the 5 bugs that you've worked on, and then some statistics are built around that as to who's the most active in the 5-a-day project.
Okay, great. Anything else?
So earlier we talked about the hug days, and those are regular occurrences, and those happen every Tuesday and Thursday, and we meet in the Ubuntu bugs channel on the Freenode IRC server. And that's a great way to get involved and participate in bug triaging and bug workflow.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thanks.